You guys did it the hard way.
You're gonna edit it, so.
Yeah. I'll cut that. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
Want me to zoom in better on the pumpkin thing? The pumpkin can?
Huh?
Do you want to do it again with the pumpkin can? Or zoom in so you can see what it is?
Oh.
No, you didn't hold it long enough. Do it again. I'll zoom in. That way I can hold it a little bit longer. Because otherwise it looks like you're holding a can. You're good. It's going around you. You're moving. Yeah.
Get right over me here. Come over here and do it. Come with this now. Cut that one.
Oh,
Halloween rain. Whoa. No pumpkin in there though. There's no light in there. Tomorrow. What we got going over here? What? Come on, what? It's gone now. Come on, it's gone. There. It's gone. Oh, it's bait, man. It is it's giant. Okay, go back, Rain.
every little thing.
Can we get a trick or treater? How's that for you? Go, trick or treat. Knock on the door. Knock on the door, trick or treat. Knock on the door, trick or